Hello everyone, it's Caribbean and Tina. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a fantastic day and that you are in the best of health.
Yes, health being most important as always.
So today we're talking about one of the most best, informative, and really needful apps of all the apps. And
I would say you need it.
And I would call it WhatsApp.
Yes, WhatsApp. So as a lot of people we found out that haven't traveled and this is their first time out of the country, they've come to the DR and then they've reached out to us. Well, we're like, okay, we'll reach out to you through WhatsApp. And they're like, what's that?
What is that?
And I'm like, okay, well, as some of you know that have traveled or come to the DR a lot, WhatsApp is a very popular app all over the country for free, easy phone, video chat, right? And messaging.
Right.
So let's get into WhatsApp. So I'll have a video after this where I kind of go through the WhatsApp so you guys can see what the app icon looks like. But basically it is a free unlimited messaging, free video chats for as long as you want, like FaceTime, and calls as long as you have
Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Gotta have it. It's a must. If not, it won't go through. And you have to use your regular texting messaging system. But other than that, you have Wi-Fi, you are good to go.
So a lot of people do get the chip as well as, because if you want Uber and things like that, you're going to need to get that little Dominican chip. So you get like pay as you go or get a plan, whatever you choose to do. But you will need that along with your WhatsApp because at least you can use the WhatsApp. That way you're not draining your pay as you go so quickly when you're out here visiting or looking for a place, short-term or long-term, to stay.
Excellent. And don't forget, guys, the key thing about WhatsApp, it is utilized all over the world.
Yeah.
All over the planet, and it's free. When I say all over the world, I mean
in Germany.
Tokyo, Germany, Japan, Egypt, Philippines, every country you can think about, you can use it.
Yes. And WhatsApp also helps you to drop a pin for your location in case you have something being delivered, because here we're on lockdown still.
Right.
Because we have curfew, not lockdown, but we have a curfew. So if I'm having something delivered and the guy texts on WhatsApp, because like WhatsApp is like life as like Instagram is out here in the DR.
That's
Everybody
true.
uses it.
That's true.
So when they can't find you, they're like, drop me your location. They mean on WhatsApp. And then you drop them, it'll drop them a Google Map location and tell them how far they are from you. If you get separated from your friends while you're out here, you know, sometimes we were on the beach and like we had friends that were on one side doing something and the other ones were drinking and we're over here. It would tell us where everyone is. Hey, drop a pin, drop a pin, drop a pin, so that you can keep an eye on people that you're vacationing or out here with. And it also helps drivers to find you. So if you don't know where you're going or you're trying to tell the driver but you're not too sure, you drop that pin of where you were at and he can get you there quick and easy. So it's very helpful.
And especially those two apps you're going to be using the most. They're going to be the most crucial to you when you get here. Okay? And that's, like I said, that's WhatsApp and your Instagram.
Yeah, because everybody does all of their advertising through Insta. So also WhatsApp helps because you can call and contact anyone as long as they also have a WhatsApp account. So to be clear, you can't just call your grandma's home phone. Grandma has to have a WhatsApp tied to her cell phone, and then you can call and talk to her. So it will send a little, hi, I'm on WhatsApp. Here's the link so that you can join too, and it sends them on regular messenger so that they can join WhatsApp, sign up for it, it's free, and then they can begin to converse with you, text with you, and video chat with you on WhatsApp for free because we sent that to the kids so the kids could sign up.
Absolutely. And I mean, I was like, when I first heard about it, I was like, what in the world is this? I said, because, I said, yep, you can use it as long as where you are have Wi-Fi. And you know that's how it's going to be because, I mean, Starbucks got Wi-Fi and this person's got Wi-Fi. This place has Wi-Fi. And as long as you got that, you can handle your business.
And Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi. Oh my gosh! Now he got me saying Wi-Fi. WhatsApp is. I mean, it uses all the same luxuries. Like we have Apple phones. We're Apple people, so it can also help you to share contacts. So if you meet somebody and they're sharing their WhatsApp with you, they can send their contact information or other people's contact information easily through a text. You can send photos. Like I said, you can drop the location. Like you can do everything that you do through AT&T and Verizon. The only problem is you're not paying that big $10 a day fee that AT&T charges for the Dominican Republic to use your Wi-Fi and to use this and that.
That's right.
Because
that's right.
yeah, you say, oh yeah, $10. $10 is a lot if you're staying out here for 7 to 14 days. We're talking $70 to $140. Use the chip like we've said before in one of our videos. Get the little SIM card thingy and, you know, get a Dominican number. Take out your American one. Put in the Dominican one. You can use it on the phone you bring. Or, because I would say in addition to, get the WhatsApp app on your phone so that you can talk to everyone, text everyone, and keep up with everyone back in the U.S. for free with Wi-Fi.
And that's awesome because, I mean, as soon as you hit the airport, most airports have Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
So if you sit in the airport, you can call, you can FaceTime, you can text, you can let them know how you doing, how you know everything like that. Because I mean, when you're going from one city to another city, it's kind of like the same. You can text, but now you're talking about going from one country. Once you begin to go over the water, go overseas, it works different. So. And then also, you still can use your regular text on your phone if you got Wi-Fi too. But that WhatsApp, I mean, that thing is just such a good tool to have when you're not in country.
Yeah, and a lot of people out here use it, so it's good to have. And you can also do the video, and it's just like Wi-Fi, or FaceTime. So like what I said before, you can FaceTime if you want. You miss somebody and you want to say hi, or you, like he does. His favorite usage of it is he's at the grocery store. He doesn't know what to get.
Yeah.
He goes on to video chat and says, hey, is these the beans? And then he puts it on the beans, and I go, no, it's the other can. So, I mean, you never know what you might need it for. So, just saying, because we did hap on a new subscriber who used our services, because we do, again, consulting services where we can give you referrals and answer questions to get you acclimated and into the DR. And when he did that, we were like, yeah, we got Wi-Fi? Yeah, okay, well, use WhatsApp on this and this and that. And he was like, what's WhatsApp? And we're like, oh my God, stop everything right now because
stop the press.
You need to get this app before we even talk, because like I've said in a lot of videos, all of our realtors, our insurance brokers, everyone, the VA, well vets, everybody uses WhatsApp. So you got to have it. It's a thing out here. It's like the thing to have. And the Dominicans know they're watching me. I got it. Because that's how they talk to their family.
There you go.
They're in New York, but they're talking to all their family here because through WhatsApp. So, y'all know. Tell them. Drop it in the comments. Let them know how great WhatsApp is. And it's free. So.
Yeah, some of them never change, always. Because, I mean, you could, like I said, you can reach out and touch, and you saving money because it's a free app and it costs you an extra cent. As long as you got Wi-Fi, you can use that bad boy. And you know what? I got the WhatsApp on both my phones, my American phone and my Dominican phone.
Yes.
On both of them.
I do too.
So, I mean, it's just a good tool to have. But you'll be surprised how many people, Tina, that don't know nothing about it. Well, never heard of it.
Your family, and we're trying to save you money and headaches. So that's why I wanted to let you know.
That's what it's about. That's another thing I love about this channel is saving you money, saving you frustration, and saving you some time. Because as long as you can save money, which keeping money in your pocket, and save your time, that's less frustration you have to be, and you can enjoy your life. Because like I always say on the channel, life was meant to be enjoyed. Exactly. And you can't do it when you lost and you can't drop a penny where you at. You can't do it if you can steady go into your pocket because AT&T and Verizon is eating you alive.
Getting that money.
And laughing while they do it. So we showing you how to get around the riffraff. As long as you got Wi-Fi, you're at the airport or wherever you may find yourself. If you got that WhatsApp, you can handle your business.
And a lot of the businesses out here when you're patroning them, they'll offer their Wi-Fi for you. They'll let you know. It's either on a menu or it's on somewhere on the wall or a card or something, or you just ask and they'll tell you, yeah, the Wi-Fi here is whatever. There's the password, boom, bam. Because a lot of them know that people use WhatsApp.
Absolutely, absolutely. And so most of them are using that. And like I said, another one that runs close race with it is that Instagram. I never seen Instagram used so much in my whole life until I got here.
Yeah. They sell. So now, because of COVID, a lot of the chefs and restaurants are closed. So the chefs are kind of working out of either joined kitchens or their homes or a closed restaurant, but they're still providing like preheat meals or meals that you finish at home. And a lot of them, like I tell you, I was like, I find a different one every single day. Bakers, lasagna, pizzas, nachos and taco plates, like all kinds of chefs making all these foods, and it's all on Instagram. All on Instagram. Yep. Places out here that are delivering and doing takeout, Instagram, like you specials. I'm like, my God, everything, like Instagram is life out here, and all of them will list on there that the way to contact them is their WhatsApp.
I'm telling you. And so, and like I said, I a lot of you guys are reaching out to me. I get back with you. I answer you. And, hey, I ain't planning to come back to the United States no time soon. I'm just putting it out like that.
Yeah.
This is an emergency, something like that happened. Other than that, I'm staying out here. I'm going to visit other countries. And that's just how it's going to be. I got my WhatsApp. If you want to reach out to me from the channel or whatever, WhatsApp me, no matter where I'm at, wherever I be. If I got internet, I can pick up your message and I can holler back at you. You can holler at me. We can yet stay in communication with one another.
Yeah, because we had a few meet and greets lately, and all of them, except for the guy that didn't have WhatsApp, now he has it. So, because that's where we reach out after we've set up the meet and greet and the consultation. So yeah, that's it in a nutshell. WhatsApp. If you ain't got it, get it. And after this video, I'll have the icon so that you guys can sign up if you don't have it, so you're prepared when you hit boots on the ground out here.
The only thing you gotta do it, and you know what? It don't take a whole lot. Just go to the app store, download the app, and make sure you got it, and make sure it's working good. And I would even test it where you at. I mean, as long as you got Wi-Fi, you reach out there.
Yeah.
Because like some of you guys get in touch with me, I never even gave you my number. You know what I'm saying? And I'm getting, and people are reaching out to me from WhatsApp, or IM message, But like I said, I got a lot of people reaching out on the channel. We got 1,000 people all over the place, all over different countries, and it's just a good thing to have. And you're gonna find out that you're gonna definitely need it when you get here. Okay? So, just want to let you guys know that. Download it. Don't forget, if you try to do it without internet, it's not gonna work. Okay, and if you try to reach out to us,
and don't freak out, it's free. Before you start saying how much is it, it's free, free.
And the person you trying to reach out and talk to, if they don't have it, forget it. It won't work. You won't get through to them. Okay, they got to have the WhatsApp. They got to have the app too, so you guys can be able to communicate one another and all this kind of stuff. So, glad you guys enjoyed that video. Giving you some more knowledge. Dropping some more nuggets so that you'll be better in position when you get to other countries or whatever you may be. You got that app. And you can't say you haven't heard it from us. Cribini and Tina. So, in the meantime, between the time, always remember, life is to be enjoyed.
Yes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you and welcome to all our new subscribers. Hit notifications so that you can get notified first when we drop videos that may interest and help you out. Always hit like, hit that thumbs up. It is the easy and free way to patron the channel. As always, all of our information is underneath all of our videos. Stay tuned for that app. And thank you to all those that have patroned and showed us a little bit of love. Remember that every 2 weeks we do a live where we are online live talking to you guys, answering questions that you might have, like maybe on WhatsApp. So it's every 2 weeks, Saturday at 9 p.m. Eastern.
So until next video, see you on that WhatsApp. Peace.